how to do Facebook ads with statistical probability and a pool table. In the world of online advertising, there's this thing called statistical probability. And simply put, what it means is I'm much more likely to get that pool ball into that pocket than I am to hit this cue ball to that green ball and get it in that pocket, because that pool ball is close to that pocket, harder chance of me screwing that up, and also I'm not very good at pool at all. Statistical probability means when I'm running ads on Facebook, if I know that my audience that I'm targeting is more likely to click a certain direction or think a certain way, then I'm more likely to be able to make sales to that audience and convert leads into buyers. Now, I'm going to be demonstrating all in this video exactly how you're going to be able to use statistical probability in your Facebook ads and how to create winning Facebook campaigns, regardless of if you're brand new to Facebook, regardless of if you have a brick and mortar business, regardless of if you're a digital marketer and you're doing lead generation for other businesses, or if you're brand new and just trying to get your feet wet and want to know the best way to generate an income from Facebook ads. Because, update guys, I was just about to show you statistical probability on the pool table and then go in to show you how you can apply this with Facebook ads so you can have wildly profitable Facebook ads. Reality is, I was just about to show you statistical probability on the pool table. I missed both pool balls. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that again real quick. That pocket, but I also suck at pool. So, be able to hit pool ball into the pocket. And because I suck at pool, but I also suck at pool, Facebook is the best place to advertise an online business or a brick and mortar business in 2020. There's a guy named Brad Parscale. He's Donald Trump's campaign manager. What Brad Parscale said is, look, if I know through Facebook ads that you own a Trump 2020 hat, statistically speaking, there's an 86% chance that you're gonna vote for him again. Now, if you are a Republican, but you don't own any Trump paraphernalia or merchandise, there's a 50% chance using statistical probability that you will vote for him. Statistical probability is so important in Facebook ads and in online advertising because if you know the way your target audience thinks, you know exactly what you need to put in front of them to be able to sell them. Let's see if statistically I'm able to hit this pool ball in much more efficiently and effectively than that one, because this one is closer to the pocket. Nope. I can't believe that just happened. Did you guys see that? I can't believe that just happened. I also suck at pool. As I told you guys, I suck at pool. That was a horrible example of statistical probability. Now, before I dive into this, what I want to know from you guys is, do you think I deliberately hit both those balls in, or do you think I got lucky? Let me know in the comments below. When it comes to Facebook advertising, statistical probability is not a term that you're actually going to see. A term that you're going to hear more often is flex targeting. Why does that not look right? Because there's not two T's in targeting. Why do I not know that? Because I didn't go to school, I don't have a college degree, and I don't like school. Flex targeting. What this means, and this is statistical probability. When it comes to advertising on Facebook, you are not going to hear the term statistical probability. The people that are successfully running multi-million-dollar campaigns and profiting from it understand it as statistical probability. With Facebook, it's called flex targeting. Flex targeting is an if this then that scenario. Here's what I mean, okay? Say for example, I am selling a golf ball. Well, you would think that if I target the term golfer, what this means is, say for example, I am selling a golf ball. You would think that if I target the term golfer or golfing or golf, that if I have a golf ball ad running, and I put it in front of an audience that Facebook knows is interested in golfer, golfing, or golf, you would think that it sells. But here's the reality. I'm not using enough statistical probabilities to successfully convert that golf ball and profitably make sales from it. And if I'm losing you guys, this is a perfect example of the information that you need to give yourself access to so you can actually have a successful online business, whether you're product-based or service-based. And if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you subscribe right now. If you want to learn digital branding at a 7-figure, a multiple 7, or an 8-figure per year level, we're the guy, we're the company, we are the digital brand experts. If you want to bring your digital product or service, your physical product to the marketplace online and successfully convert sales and know all the infrastructure, the branding, the business model, the merchant processing, how to brand, the social media marketing, the sales skills, I know I sound like a rapper and I can mic drop this right now without stuttering, then you want to subscribe to my channel. So golf ball. I'm not necessarily going to make sales here because I'm not targeting in depth enough. So I use flex targeting. Here's what this means, and I'll give you a scenario. If I know who Tiger Woods is, I'm not necessarily a golfer, but I might be a little bit more in tune to golf. If I know who Phil Mickelson is, and I don't even know how to spell his name, then I might be a little bit more in tune to golf. But if I know Tiger Woods, Phil Mickelson, and I know the name of a dude that designed a special golf club in 1953, then the statistical probability says that I'm most likely a golfer. So what I do is I target this keyword and I make sure that I have inclusions or exclusions. At the ad set level, Mino, show them, Mino's my editor, Mino, have it pop up on the screen right now, show the viewers of this YouTube video what an ad set looks like. You're gonna see in this ad set, it allows you to choose a target interest, age, gender, location, placement, all of that good stuff. What I can do at the ad set level of Facebook ads is select my target interest, golfer, and then I can include only audiences that know who Tiger Woods is, Phil Mickelson, and the dude that designed this famous golf club back in 1953. We can then say the statistical probability of this ad landing in front of a golfer with this flex targeting is highly likely. Therefore, we know that statistically, the probability of turning this ad into sales is much higher. You understand what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments if you understand what I'm saying, okay? So now, instead of having a generic ad where we put a golf ball in front of the guy that just might know a golfer or have golfed before, we have a much higher chance of converting because we're using flex targeting, we're using statistical probability to make sure that our ad selling our golf ball, selling our bikini, selling our service, selling our online education program, selling our mentorship program is only going in front of the men or the women that are actually interested in that. Let me give you one more example, okay? And if you're loving this video so far, finding value in it, make sure to smash that like button. Show me support as I'm gonna continue supporting you through daily uploads every single day on YouTube, every single bit of 2020. Let me give you another example of this. And this example starts with a question. Have you ever been thinking something? Just thinking something, and all of a sudden the ad pops up. And you're like, well, how did that happen? Somebody that understands statistical probability, somebody that understands flex targeting, that is placing ads, creating ads, uploading to Facebook and publishing, understands how a consumer thinks and understands how to target an interest golfer and get in front of the person that is an avid golfer because they know who Tiger Woods, Phil Mickelson is, and the guy that designed this golf ball in 1953. Therefore, putting that ad in front of a laser targeted person that is statistically more likely to buy that golf ball. And they can even take it further saying, hey, only target people with the interest golfer that know Tiger Woods, Phil Mickelson, and the guy that designed this golf ball in 1953 that have searched or engaged on any of these terms in the last 24 hours. And that is how you can merely think or have typed in something on Google and then have it popped up to you on Facebook. Or have thought about something and all of a sudden you see it there in your Facebook Messenger. Or you see a picture represented on Instagram. That is how to profitably run Facebook ads in 2020 using statistical probability and flex targeting. Subscribe to the channel. Any questions, drop them in the comments below. And I do want to know, do you think that I deliberately hit both those pool balls and coincidentally got them into a pocket I was not aiming for? Or do I suck most and definitely at pool? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.